Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about the introduction to Python programming. The topic covered in this video are what is Python, differences between program and scripting language, history of Python, features of Python, who uses Python today, applications of Python, installing of Python, and Python IDE. What is Python? A Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. So, Python is a programming language as well as scripting language. Python is also called as interpreted language. Differences between program and scripting language. A program is executed, that is, the source is first compiled and the result of that compilation is expected. A script is interpreted. In general, a program is a sequence of instructions written so that a computer can perform certain tasks. A script is code written in a scripting language. A scripting language is nothing but a type of programming language in which we can write a code to control another software application. History of Python. Guido van Rossum is the creator of Python programming language released in the year 90s. Its name comes from a 70s British comedy television show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. It was open sourced from the beginning. Features of Python. It is easy to learn and use. Python is a very developer friendly language, which means anyone and everyone can learn to code Python. Is one of the easiest language to learn. Interpreted language, because Python code is executed line by line at a time. There is no need to compile a Python code. This makes it easier to debug our code. The source code of Python is converted into bytecode. Cross-platform language. For example, if you have a Python code for Windows and if you want to run this code on another platforms such as Linux, Unix, then we do not need to change it. We can run this code on any platform. Python is free and open source. It is free to download and use in any operating system. Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Dynamically typed language. Because of this feature, we don't need to specify the type of variable. Python has a large standard library which provides a rich set of modules and functions, so you do not have to write your own code for every single thing. Python has support a wide array of GUI which can easily be imported to the interpreter. Who uses Python today? Google and Yahoo use Python in internet service. The YouTube video sharing services largely writing in Python. IBM use Python for hardware testing. NASA uses Python for scientific programming tasks. Applications of Python: web and internet development, GUI, software development, artificial intelligence and machine learning, database access, network programming, games and 3D graphics. Installing Python. In Windows operating system, user can download from the given link, download the latest version of Python IDE and install it. The current version is 3.8.5. Python IDE. An IDE is a bundled set of software tools for program development, an editor for creating and modifying programs, a translator for executing a programs, a program debugger provides a means of taking control of the execution of a program to aid in finding program errors. Thank you for listening.